Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you December 2020 monthly forecast. All the predictions are based on moon sign, but you can use this prediction according to your Lagna Rashi as well. If you know your ascendant, your rising sign, then you can use this prediction according to your Lagna, according to your rising sign, as well as your moon sign. You can follow this according to that. Choice is yours. The base is Indian Vedic astrology for all of you. December 2020 monthly forecast for all of you. Going to talk about Cancerian for this coming month. Cancerian. Transit of Mercury for Cancerian in 5th house. 28th November till 17th December. When the Mercury transiting in 5th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 5th house from your moon sign. Now, the transit of Mercury in 5th house from your moon sign, during this particular period when the Mercury moves through 5th house from your moon sign, this mostly indicated troubled personal life. During this particular period when the Mercury transit for 5th house from the moon sign, this time period you must try and avoid getting involved in any kind of argument with your family members or life partner, or refrain from that. Try to avoid any kind of argument with your family members or life partner or family. If you're a married person, your husband or wife should not have any living conflict. Avoid that, even with your children. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, this is not a conducive period for you to be headstrong, highly opinionated. Well, every time you express your opinion, when you're dealing with family members or friends, it will not be welcomed. People will not welcome your headstrong opinion. People will oppose you. When the Mercury is transit in the 5th house, you have to be extra careful while you're handling your loved one. Verbally, mannerism, attitude, behavior, word of speech. Health could be the matter of concern at this particular point of time. Take care of your food intake. When the Mercury is to the 5th house, you're likely to suffer from health issues. Body heat can be more than you expected. Do not undertake any activity which would put a risk to yourself. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, mentally you may feel agitated and drained out. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, this period also give you some pain and leading to much discomfort. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, this also occur some troublesome time, difficult circumstances in the work front. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, if you're a student, you need to be more determined and focused in your studies to avoid any kind of distraction. Make sure you should be focused, especially if you are taking any qualification, any professional qualification and technical qualification. When the Mercury transit in 5th house, you have to be more focused and you got to be more determined in order to be achieving the best result. When the Mercury transit in 5th house. Transit of Venus in 5th house, Cancerian, 11th December till 4th of January. When the Venus transit in 5th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 5th house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus in 5th house from your moon sign. During this particular period, you move, when the Venus is transit in 5th house from your moon sign, this signifies time mostly spent being entertained. This period also donate good timing financially. You'll be able to raise your funds during this phase of time. If you're taking any kind of examination, official, driving test, university exam, if you're taking any kind of interview, presentation, job interview, contract interview, even business contract meeting, under any kind of government department, during this particular phase, you're most likely to be successful. If you're employed, you're also likely to get promoted. When the Venus transit in 5th house from your moon sign, you may expect a rise in position of society. Your friends, elders, teachers also expected to be good timing to you during this phase of time. Relationship expected to go smoothly. You may expect intense and sensuous timing with your beloved. You're also enjoying a personal bliss of physical companionship with someone special. You may expect to meet someone new in the family or even bringing someone new to the family. Health should be fine this particular period. See you enjoying delicious food, achieving wealth, object of your desire. When the Venus transit 5th house, luxuries will be there, lifestyle will be there, companionship will be there. You'll enjoy luxuries, lifestyle and thorough romantic union, definitely. Transit of Sun in 6th house, 15 December till 14th of January. When the Sun is transiting in 6th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 6th house from your moon sign. When the sun is transit 6th house from your moon sign, this period brings success in every aspect of life. You find yourself overcoming obstacles easily. It's a great time for successful problem solving. If anyone gets in your way, you will be able to deal with it easily with a minimum aggravation. When the sun is transiting in 6th house, it's a good time to complete any unfinished projects. You're likely to succeed in whatever you put your effort in. Financially, you'll do well and you'll find it easy to gain general. Your mental and physical health will be excellent. When the sun is transiting 6th house, your body will stay healthy. Your mind will be free of too much stress and anxiety. It's a time to enjoy comfort and social relationship, especially friendship with people in powerful positions. There are good chances for promotion, honor, especially from authorities or government-related problems. Transit of Mercury in 6th house, 17 December till 5th of January. When the Mercury transiting in 6th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 6th house from your moon sign. Transit of Mercury in 6th house from your moon sign. When the Mercury moves through your 6th house from your moon sign, this indicates mixed bag of positive, negative, both. This particular period indicates success, stability, progression in your personal life, professional life. Mercury transit in 6th house from your moon sign. Your plans and projects will be successfully accomplished and you will also gain from the same. Mercury transit from 6th house from your moon sign. You also likely to do better in your work front. Mercury transit in the 6th house from your moon sign. You may expect a progression in your undertaking. This period also indicates your popularity in society. When the Mercury transit in 6th house from your moon sign, your status in society is also likely to be heightened. Health should be fine and you would also have a mental peace of mind and contentment. When the Mercury transit in 6th house from your moon sign, and this particular moment of Mercury will bring in some worries and trouble from enemies. You may have to be extra careful with your finances, your financial decision, your professional decision. Avoid any kind of arguments with your employer. It's better to stay away from activity involving risk to your health, well-being. Be careful. And body heat may trouble you during this phase of time. And especially when the Mercury is transiting in 6th house, you have to be very extra careful regarding your lower abdomen, your blood, your urine, your legs, your feet, and anything to do with digestive system, anything to do with the lower abdomen, below the bottom of belly. Be extra careful. If you have an issue regarding urine infection or male or female health issues, you have to be extra careful. Transit of Mars in 10th house, 24th of December till 22nd of February. The Mars transiting in 10th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 10th house from your moon sign. The Mars is transiting 10th house from your moon sign. They signify a ruffled path to success. You're likely to face a lot of trouble ranging from misbehavior of your superior, failure in your affects, sorrows, disappointment, exhaustion of things. You're likely to meet a lot of success in your field of work at end. When the Mars is transiting in 10th house, some of you would be able to perform better than ever at work. You have to taking care of yourself, hoping around about places. Your work is likely to be demand and you will achieve more and more. This period also likely to bestow a rise in prestige, position, authority at workplace. You're likely to get scripted in your good books for you of your superior and enlarge your circle of good friends, professional friends. Your glory is likely to be bringing more new friends, professional friends in your life. Health, however, would require your attention. Keep a note what you're eating. Keep up your mental health as well. Some of you also feel relieved of your worries and tensions and you will win over your enemies. However, never underestimate your enemies and stay away from weapons. Stay away from foul company, please. In this coming month of December 2020, with the help of toss precaution chanting, you must sort out your Rahu, Ketu, Jupiter, Moon, these 4 planets. Rahu, Ketu, Jupiter, Moon. Rahu, Ketu, preventing you from any kind of financial losses, fine, penalty, punishment. Jupiter and Moon, health and happiness, profession, rise and luck and prosperity, recognition and appreciation. You must sort out your Rahu, Ketu, Jupiter, Moon, preventing any kind of professional losses, financial losses, building a bad debts, flow of income issues, professional backing issues, health, happiness, harmony issues, peace of mind issues. With the help of task precaution chanting, you got to sort out your planet for your best. For that, you must go to the website and acquire the monthly horoscope report from the website prakashastrologer.com. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.